綺麗じゃないの？
綺麗よ。
Wow, takes my breath away. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. Good morning. I just woke up and today me and my friend we're gonna go to a car show. It's a big car show and all the cool cars, the new cars are gonna be there. I hope we got to see some Lambos, Bugatti, maybe Tesla. So I think it's raining right now and let's hope this goes well. See you guys. So guys, we are out and we are going right now. We are meeting my friend at I forget the place. Anyway, who cares? Kappa, they say. It's a raincoat in my bag, but I have no time to put it on, so I'm just going like this. I hope I don't get too wet. It is, I won't call it a rain, but it is sipping. Just a little bit. But who can stop us, you know? We are going to the car show. Really pumped for this and I'm willing to get wet. It's okay. Okay, let's go. I just don't give a shit. So everyone is looking at me thinking, who is this idiot not wearing a raincoat? But I'm looking at them, who are these stupid people who think it is not cool not wearing a raincoat. But really, wear a raincoat, it's safe. We will once again be parking over there. You are late.
You are late.
You are late. Chị á. Okay. Hey, ta với nó gắn cần là tụi ticket too. And here you go. This cost about like 3,000. And yeah, we are looking all the possible routes and the cost.
430円。
どうする? It's gonna be 430. Bye, my friend. Goodbye. I will miss you a lot. Come back soon, my friend. He's stealing someone's bike. He gave up and he's coming back. Oh, Anuan! It's been a long time, man.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Mr. Nguyen.
Yep.
Today we are going to the motor show, right? There's gonna be Aventador, Bugatti, Ferraris, and all those cool stuff, right?
Yep.
So, are you pumped for it?
What?
What are your feelings?
I'm very interested.
Okay.
I didn't feel the Bugatti.
You don't feel the Bugatti? Oh, very good. I don't feel the Bugatti either. So I think we will try to feel it over there.
Yep. あっちでミルクを入れて混ぜて飲む。
でも350円ですね。ちょっと高いすぎよ。Looks like someone needs to go to toilet and we have to go inside.
Yep.
So why are you not going?
First,
Why are you not going? The ladies' room is open.
No.
Rush in. No one will know. So these are the mangas. Oh. And magazines and stuff. Anyway, this is not the time for it, so we'll do it the next time. So we decided we were gonna go by bus, and it is raining like really heavy. I hope by the time we come back it stops raining, because I have a part-time job from 5 p.m. so yeah, over mana. Train to 26 platform. Let's go. It's over there. Oh. Guys, we are here.
wow.
Grand Message.
Grand Message.
Beautiful place.
Beautiful, eh?
Very, very beautiful. My. Takes my breath away. I think habon soko ka na.
Hapon ka na, setay sa toyo.
Ay, soko na hasyaru. Wataro ka.
Yes, we are going.
Maybe.
Maybe, not maybe.
Tony, the place is very beautiful. Very good place. Nuan, what is that time?
I am 10 past 30 days.
So the show starts from 10. So we're 30 minutes late, but it's okay. No problem. See, people are coming out. They're gonna look the cars too. Look at the view. Woo! So beautiful. Go on.
Yeah. 綺麗じゃないの? 綺麗よ.
Wow, takes my breath away. Okay, let's go.
寒い.
I told you to wear warmer clothes, man.
No?
Well, I think I did.
No.
At least in my head.
You didn't tell me that.
Woo! Woo! Ah, これから行けるよ. So that is going to be the place where there are going to be lots of cars. Okay. So we go down from there. Luna kan so nga. Tay chang nga. What? Ton thầy chang mấy ti kan du. Kan mo thầy lâu ni Luna. It's a beautiful place, but we cannot get in for some reason. If we can just crawl in from there, I think we might get in, but we might get thrown out though. We start from there and we went up there, we go there, we come back here. What is this? This is bullshit. I think that is a place where they manufacture cars. Well, anyway, it's a beautiful place. So I think this is the entry. This is the place where we go in. Very nice. Very nice. So guys, we are here, and this is gonna come in hand now. Okay, we came a long way just for this place. nice place, very nice place. Oh, there's some parking lot, I think. This is where we enter, and we use this card to enter. That is all the use. We use it. Okay, this is the car. Take photo with this. Now, before the show begins, we must refresh. So, lots of different Nihonshu, made in Japan stuff. Drinks.
これあとに居酒屋でもあること。
白
白。
山崎、山崎じゃなくて川辺。おお、熊もOkay, anyway, look at this man, trophies. Wow. Take a shot with one this knife. Very nice. Very, very nice. I think you wanna take a photo. Okay. Ooh. I think this is the brewing box or whatever. Yeah, sake ireru box. Wow, it's good. They're so shiny, shiny. Oh, shiny. Spiral sheets of steel. I wonder what is the use. That is the entrance, and we are gonna go in from here, and I think it's gonna be a good one. And here we are. Guys, I'm sorry, but that's gonna be it for the video. The video was way too long, and I have to cut the video in chunks so it don't get too boring. I'm gonna make part 2, maybe part 3 if I need it. So I think you're gonna love it. Cool cars, brand new cars, awesome cars. Just it's all for you guys. I mean, I'm doing this for all you guys, so please check it, and I hope you love it. So guys, please make sure to leave a like, and please subscribe. I appreciate it so much. So see you guys in the next video. Job skis out. Bye bye. Please guys check the next video. I think I'm gonna upload the next video right about here. The video was too long. I have to cut it. I have to cut the video in chunks. Guys, I'm sorry, but fuck this.